Hello friends, today I have come up with the best online PDF editor which is free and completely free. I have searched so many PDF editor online that is free without paying the money, and I have come up with the PDF24 which is best for me right now. I would put a link of the website on the description box as well. So you can click on download and get the program as well. If you go down, you can see all the feature and services that you can do from PDF24. For example, merge, split, compress, edit, sign. You can convert the PDF images to PDF, PDF to images, and every other services. You can make JPG to PDF, PDF to Word document. So these are all free right now in PDF24. For example, if you go to the edit PDF, you can choose a file. So you can edit this file as well. So go to here, just write the text, Sabine. You can add as an image as well. Just add a picture if you want to add here. Then once you are done with the editing and everything, you can save the file. Just click here. You can download the PDF from here, and the PDF will be downloaded. See, these are the things I have written just now with the picture. This is how you can edit the PDF and do many things from that online PDF editor. So if you are looking for a free PDF editor on the online, this might be a best choice for you right now. And I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. If you want any video topic, then please let me know. I'll come up with that video as well. Till then, bye.